Alright, so here we are ready to give away 3 signed copies of Company of One, which is the book by Paul Jarvis that I talked about in the last video. What I've done is I've actually used something that I created a long time ago when I did a previous giveaway. So if you'd like to see me code this, I know all of you are always clamoring for some JavaScript, so I was doing a JavaScript in that one, as you can see here. So I've set up an array here with all the contestants. I used a YouTube scraper to scrape everything, put it in alphabetical order, just so I could see if there was any repeat commenters, which there were a couple of, so I took those out. I have my button right here, and then my winner, which will show up there in a second. We're going to have 3 winners. And just to look at it really quickly to see how this works. Basically, when we pick a winner, it will get a random number, and then it will find that number in the array and return the winner. And based on the number, now for this to work, it needs to have how many contestants to run through. So I got that through here, the contestants.length, and then we're plugging that number in right here when we run it. So that's how it works. Just a quick thing before I hit this, because I know the anticipation is probably killing you, but when I was just recently doing a sort of a revision and review of 2018 for my newsletter, it got me thinking about just looking at this channel here and how it sort of followed the path that I said that would happen in Paul's book, where through a lot of slow, steady progress, all of a sudden things can start to take off. And that's what's happened in the last year. Things have really taken off here. So I just want to give a really big thank you. Just to give you an idea, we went from having, I'm closing in on 50K subs right now, and over 38,000 of them were just in the last 12 months. And this channel's been here for 2.5 years now. So like huge majority of my new subs and new viewers, and you guys have found me within the last 12 months out of the 30 or so that the channel has been running. So just a huge thank you for all the support and kind words and everything. So I just have some I think 2019 is going to be a really fun and awesome year here. I am working on my SaaS course. A few of you have been asking about that. So the official launch date of that will be February 1st, which I'm really excited about. For me, for 2019, that's really big news that I have my course finally will be coming out. And on another note, so because of that, I have a lot of work to do for that. So for now, there won't be any 5-Minute Fridays until that course is out. And maybe for a few weeks after that, but eventually 5-Minute Fridays will be back. Just really quickly, also had some questions about my image series. Again, it's a little bit of a delay on the last video for that, but it will be coming out at one point or another. But you're not here to hear about this. You want to know if you won the book or not. So let's see who the winner is. First of all, apologies to anybody if I don't say your name properly. I apologize. So I'm going to click right here is my button. Haven't used this in a while. So, and the winner is Harish Sambasivam. Harish Sambasivam. So that's winner number 1. Winner number 2 is Jasper Close. Jasper. We'll go with Jasper. You're winner number 2. And winner number 3 is Sage Kath. A huge congratulations to all 3 of you. So to claim your prize, what you're going to have to do is contact me. So you can send me an email at hi@kevinpowell.co. You should see that on the screen now. You can also get it if you go to my About tab on my page and shoot me an email, and I'll let you know all the information that I will be needing to get those signed copies of the book to you. Thank you so much for watching. Once more, a huge congratulations to the 3 winners. It's a really good book. I really think that you're going to enjoy it. A big thank you to my patrons for helping support me and everything we do here at my channel. And of course, a big shout out to Lauren for being my supporter of Awesome. Thank you very much for your generous contribution. Thanks once again for watching. And until next time, don't forget to make your corner of the internet just a little bit more awesome.